Hello, friends. Welcome back to another simple and creative electronics project. BC547 transistor pinout from left to right is collector, emitter, and base. In this video, we build a very simple light interruption sensor using an LDR, a white LED, and a BC547 transistor. When an object blocks the light between the white LED and the LDR, the red LED turns on automatically. This simple idea can be used in alarm systems, object counters, security sensors, and many DIY projects. The white LED stays on continuously and shines directly toward the LDR. As long as light reaches the LDR, the transistor remains off. But when an object blocks the light path, the resistance of the LDR increases. This changes the transistor bias and activates the output. As a result, the red LED turns on. LDR resistance decreases in bright light. LDR resistance increases in darkness. Ohm's law. This formula helps calculate voltage, current, and resistance in electronic circuits. Tip 1. Keep the white LED exactly aligned with the LDR for best sensitivity. Tip 2. Reduce ambient light for more accurate detection. Tip 3. You can place both parts inside a small black tube to improve performance. Tip 4. Changing the resistor value changes sensitivity. For higher current or higher voltage loads, use a relay module. Use a MOSFET transistor. Add a flyback diode across relay coils. Use an external power supply for heavy loads. This allows the circuit to control lamps, alarms, motors, and larger devices safely. This is a simple but very useful light interruption sensor project. Small circuits like this are the foundation of bigger automation systems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics projects.